What? Thanks.
No problem.
This is a shirt from Daniel. I think you can hold this out. Show the folks at home.
Damn, Daniel.
Oh. Appreciate it, dude. To AC. Yo, what up, guys? Today, kind of like a free day for us here in Cali. So I figured, hey, why not, since we're in town, visit some of the stores, brands, and shops, garages that we follow on social media, but we haven't had the chance to actually visit in person. So we're here at the Battle Aero facility, which is actually the only other sponsor that I have on my car, other than the AG wheels. So yeah, we're gonna check out their facility. Nice to meet you, man. Josh.
Wait, your name Josh?
No, Randy.
Randy,
sorry.
oh, Josh, yeah.
I was just repeating your name. I was like, yeah. Cars they have on the lot. Sweet. Battle Aero facility. Dope. Whoa. God damn. Spoiler alert. This is where my wing was made. Alright, so we're, oh my god, that is hot. We are at Battle Aero and we're doing a small mini photo shoot of our cars while we're here. Both me and Derby are rocking the Battle Aero wings. So figured why not. Yo, that's dope. Yeah, I screwed up on my first one. Yeah, do you have the smaller guys? Dude, how much do I owe you, bro? Oh, thank you. That's wicked.
I didn't get your name.
Birdie.
Birdie.
Yeah. Gio?
Yeah,
Nice to meet you, man.
I work here, yeah.
Pleasure, dude.
Make some kind of bracket that connects the trunk to the quarter panel. Put it on like a latch here or something. Maybe I'll think about making a Y mount.
So, still a small operation, only like 3 people run this entire facility. And I'm actually getting Caleb, who's one of the main people behind the designing, the social media aspect of Battle Aero. I sent him my Dragon Tail prototype a couple of videos back, and this is my own version, my own design of what I'd want the brackets to look like. So if it was done in time, we actually probably would have tried to install it here, but you know, they're backed up. We'll get them to send it over, and then we can still do that installation video for you guys. For now, I'm just doing a couple of clips, getting some shots while we're here. Doing a quick sound clip of our exhaust system.
Oh, you're gonna do an action take?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Cut.
Yo, thanks for allowing us to chill at the Battle Aero. This place is sweet.
It's a pleasure to meet you guys.
Little insight.
Yeah, the fiber composite, like hybrid.
What?
So the thing is, wood is really good because you can beat the absolute shit out of it.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it's pretty. It holds up really well. And then the carbon fiber overlay on top is to seal it, and it looks really pretty.
Yeah.
Right. So it looks like you have a carbon fiber splitter, but the problem with most carbon fiber splitters is the carbon fiber. So if you hit something, it's done.
Yeah,
Right? It
exactly.
splits. But this one, like we beat this one up, right, on the bottom.
Yeah.
And it's still solid, and it doesn't soak in water because it's all coated.
Yeah.
And then you could you can stand on it easy.
Oh, wow. God damn.
So this is one material where
I think they're gonna give us this prototype diffuser to play around with. We'll just stick the diffuser in there. Should be okay. Cute.
oh, there's a damper in there.
Yeah. So it likes to shoot up.
So that's not OEM, right? This is full kit here?
Yeah, yeah. And then all we have to do is extend the wiring.
So we have universal brackets like this. They're universal, so they can fit on other cars. But
Dude.
we don't have spots.
We're getting hooked up by Battle Aero. They're sending us home with one of their new prototype wings.
John at Battle Aero hooked us up with this prototype wing with the dead plates. So we're gonna try to make this one fit. It doesn't have the brackets for it, but I'm pretty sure I can make something work on my car.
Here in Derpy's garage, you can make anything fit. They haven't specified what brackets, there's no holes or anything, so whatever works, man. But that's super cool.
It was 1750 millimeters wide, like 70 inches. It's a little wider than the one I got now. Pretty stoked.
Yeah, dude, time to play Tetris.
Are you taking this home?
Yeah! Come on! It's easier to spoil.
Oh yeah, dude, that works. That's dope.
So you get better really confident. I'm just kidding, it doesn't work like this.
I know we're holding a meet later tonight for bubble tea, but we're gonna go for a bubble run right now with these guys for friendship. Here's a slut. Show off. Oh, dude, that's Caleb's 350. That's sick. Since my AC ain't working, me and Nat picked these things up. Hell yeah, bruh. It's a mister. Ah, it feels so nice. Ah, no.
Oh, yeah.
For vlogging purposes.
You like it?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I've been using it for the...
Has a lot of stuff in it.
That's why, yeah. I asked for more chunks of stuff, dude. Oh.
What's up, guys? This is the no AC.
Yo, hella hot down here, bro. It's melting.
It is 38 degrees right now. Neither of us have AC. I think that's 100-ish for our Americans. Go find the spam Subie.
Alright, so we're gonna be heading to Justin's house to drop off the spoiler and the splitter. Yo, peace, guys.
Later, man.
Yeah, take care. See ya later.
Beer the swamp.
Woo! Alright, we are at Justin's house. We're gonna go say hi to Duggo. Yeah. The Chan. Give him a follow on Insta. These brothers both have sick builds. So hot. Come here, boy.
Oh, he's so gentle.
Go. Let's start. Hey, Duggo. Good boy. Woo! He's like a bear. Just a boy. Who's that?
Probably take.
Oh. Max, what's that, Duggo?
That's a lot of right. That's a lot of.
Huh? Alright, because there's like no space for anything. Yeah, we can fit a lot.
You have your own car meet here.
I think Nat has it worse than me. Look at this setup. It's so ghetto. What the fuck, dude? It's supposedly redirecting the air into this tube and then into this ice-filled cooler and then blowing that air onto her. But, you know, whatever works.
아름답던 사이로 남아 추억 속에 진열되는 돼 이만 반짝해지면 발견할 수 있어 사랑은 바보처럼 하는 게
Anyone listen to Block B? Yeah, this place is sick! Why you can't, I'm of course. Alright, so we're now at another shooting location underneath some shade, and we're doing solo shots so everyone's kind of spread out, but I'm gonna do my own little video shoot, show you guys the cars we're with right now.
I woke up with another siren in my mind. I can't decide if I was dreaming or alive. Something circling the water where I'm swimming. Smoking weed is nothing me. Girl, I'ma tell you what's next. I could play the role, filler if you really want that. I could be the one that you're gonna wanna want back. Even if I read into it deep, I got the combat ready on lock for you. I'm watching all the clocks, but the talk of the ticking hand stop for you. I'll write the plot for you, but won't implement an ending. My eyes are realizing what I'm witnessing is tempting, but let me recollect myself first. My lids are dropping low like that DG self-worth. I'm only under 20, gotta learn how health works. Maybe when I do, then she'll cast me. I could play the role, cinematic and she know, she could probably cast whoever.
Alright, we found our roller shot road. We'll do a flyby shot past these guys, and it doesn't seem like there's many cars coming by this way. So we're golden! So we're okay. Alright, let's do this. Dude. Crazy.
Start a war. Let me see the dark sides as well as the bright. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you.
What a show off. Show off.
You guys change cars, don't they?
No, they don't, man. And one of them's not even working. That's sick, though.
It's Rainbow Road.
Pretty much. Tommy Kyra.
Is this aftermarket?
Oh, TRD.
Yeah, this is an official part now, hey? I've seen people just vinyl wrap it.
Everything TRD except the exhaust and the like factory ordered, right? Yeah.
Super clean, man. What was your name?
Richard.
Richard.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, dude. Yeah. Thanks for coming out, dude. This is sweet.
Probably cast whoever, but give me the lead and we'll last together.
All works. You stick with it is like parade. Change it to like Rainbow Road. I think change it. What? Good too.
Green.
More greens.
Man just left and leave a dollar sign. Well, you know I got it, I'm on it on what you need. You say your life is a movie, I guess you're needing a lead. And I can play the part, stay your heart away and you'll see. So tell me, girl, who finna fit the part better than me?
So I just met these guys, found some supporters at the meet. What's up, man?
What's going on?
What's your name again?
Christian.
Christian, nice to meet you. Dean? Yeah, so Christian is the owner of this Raven Black FRS. And yeah, it's Varus on TEs, super clean. And you guys are local, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, other than the weather, man, this place is pretty lit.
Sucks out here, but there's definitely a lot of car stuff going on out here. So
Yeah, for sure, man.
you make your trip worth it by being out here.
No, definitely, man. Well, I appreciate you guys for coming to the meet, man.
Absolutely, man. Thanks for having me. Have a good night.
I'm gonna sign a dash. Sweet, man.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Hey, no worries, dude. Checking out some of the cars at the meet. Kaneki. Yeah. Yo, props, man. That's cool. That's cool. There are so many wide body FRS BRZs. Bruv, this is like the only brightest light in this place. Okay, so we're here at 85 Bakery Cafe, and we decided to host another boba meet kind of thing. You know, while we're here trying to take advantage of the time that we have in Cali, we decided we'd put together as many meets as we can just to give you guys the opportunities. Or you know what? It's the other way around, to give us the opportunity to meet some of you guys, the fans. So yeah, super cool, and I mean, I'm always down. It's humbling to meet you guys. Yeah, of course, yeah.
Something for me?
Shibuya Nobody. It's like one of our mad supporters.
Dude, I don't even know how many years now. It's like over 8 or something
Yeah,
like that.
actually I had no idea you were from here. Oh, nice, you got a Sharpie too.
For sure.
Perfect. You just want me to sign anywhere?
Yeah, just sign anywhere.
I'll sign your Pikachu card. Yo, that's for you.
Sweet, thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks for all this stuff.
of course, man.
Drifted to shit, and they kept all the liveries on it and everything. So that's Ken
Just the
Gucci's
front end though.
kit.
Yeah.
Well, it came with like, oh yeah, so you see the rear bumper, you swapped that out already. But it has like holes.
Yeah, I was wondering. I'm like, dude, I've never seen that before.
Yeah, so
but
this is off his actual drift car.
oh, okay.
So that's why it's all damaged.
That's insane.
Yeah, so this is Ken Gucci's old drift kit. Or his
Oh, it still has the Hankook sticker ready. Ken Gucci's old kit. Crazy.
tire smoke.
The drawing! Yo, sorry. Look at this art masterpiece that I just received from one of our supporters. Dude, what was your name?
Andrew.
Andrew, man. Nice to meet you. Thank you for the art. That is so dope, man. For the vlog. Appreciate it. Have a good night, man. We'll see you again for sure. Peace.
Out here.
Yeah, I think we'll chill for a bit, see what everyone else is up to while there's still people here. But yeah, you guys enjoy the ramen.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Have a
Cool.
safe drive
Yeah,
home.
for sure. Take care, guys. Yeah, good night. Peace. You outie?
Gotta leave.
Oh man, yeah.
nice
Thank you.
meeting you.
Of course, man. Yo, take care, guys.
Okay, dude. Until next time.